Experiencing issues with your Spectrum cable box after a power outage, such as a frozen screen or no signal message? A simple reset, also known as a signal refresh or reboot, can often resolve these problems. Unplug your Spectrum cable box from the power outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate. Plug the cable box back into the power outlet. Wait for the box to restart. This process will refresh the box's software and hardware connections, allowing it to resync with the Spectrum network. In many cases, this solves the issue, restoring your cable service. Ensure the outlet you are using is stable and not controlled by a surge protector that may have tripped during the outage. If a basic reset doesn't work, Spectrum offers several advanced options. Use the Spectrum app or website for AI-powered support, which can diagnose issues and guide you through specific troubleshooting steps. Many newer Spectrum boxes, particularly smart DVR models, have auto restart features that activate after detecting power fluctuations. If problems persist, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. You can also perform a factory reset via the box's menu: Settings, General, Reset, Factory Reset, but be aware this will erase saved preferences. For ongoing issues, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357. Remember to check the Spectrum app for outage alerts and estimated restoration times, especially after widespread events like storms. Utilizing these resources will help you quickly restore your cable service.